My name is Ajit Joy. I am standing as the Aam Aadmi Party candidate for the Lok Sabha elections from the constituency of Thiruvananthapuram. I was formerly an IPS officer and I was also working with the UN for some time. I have now decided to take the plunge into politics in order to make a difference as well as to bring across the ideals for which the Aam Aadmi Party stands for, which includes Swaraj and taking forward the issues of the common man. One of the achievements I would say related to the elections is the framing of our manifesto. There are not many political parties which make local manifestos. In fact, there are none really which make local manifestos. During the Delhi elections, Aam Aadmi Party was the first to make 70 different manifestos for the 70 constituencies of New Delhi, for Delhi. Similarly, Aam Aadmi Party in Thiruvananthapuram also has now made a manifesto which will be released tomorrow. So this I consider to be one of the achievements very closely related to the elections here. Otherwise, in my career in the past, there have been several achievements, which one of them I would say is my work on related to the environment, which includes walking the length of River Pamba in Kerala to understand as well as raise awareness on related to the pollution in the river. I have walked the length of several rivers in Thiruvananthapuram also, including Killiyar and Karamana rivers, and apart from that I have done a lot of work on environment related law enforcement in Indonesia and in other parts of the world. Well, as far as the constituency of Thiruvananthapuram is concerned, there are several growth areas which can be taken up for creation of jobs. Now, this includes both the traditional job areas like agriculture, animal husbandry, fisheries, and traditional industries. There is a need to boost up these areas. Like, for instance, in agriculture, you can have high-tech agriculture, organic farming. In animal husbandry, again, you can go in for high-tech animal husbandry. You can give loans to people to start high-quality animal husbandry and farming-related works. And then also in the fishery sector, you can boost up employment in those areas. One aspect that is very important, which we have listed in our manifesto, is to make education in government institutions, government schools and colleges on par or better than the private education. So parents do not have to run paying huge capitation fees for their children to private institutions. So the standard of government schools need to be improved.